My name is Zach Van Meter. I am the head of our sales team here at TMF Center. I'm responsible for analyzing the cost of our parts. The processes by which we make our parts each have a cost associated with them, and that's especially important to us. Automation in manufacturing has always been a pie-in-the-sky dream. We have always wanted that, we've always tried that, and until recently, we've had mixed success. There's been very niche cases where a part will work on an automated machine like that, whether it can be hopper fed or conveyor fed. So when we got in this VF2 APL, it was a world of difference. We got a stack of prints that are high volume, that have a lot of manufacturing, a lot of value added for us. We were able to build up a template and put all these parts on here and really just let it go to work.
One of the most exciting things we've got lately is we've brought in one of the APLs attached to a little vertical machining center, and this is a game changer for us. I mean, everybody can attest right now that finding employees is probably a very hard thing to come across these days. So the more automation we can institute, the better. The beauty of the APL is its simplicity. We got that machine installed, and I actually called our salesman and asked him to send one of the Haas application guys in to teach us how to run it, because we really had no idea. But I went out to the machine, and within an hour and a half, I had the machine running on my own. We actually canceled the training because we just didn't even need it. So if you're familiar with a Haas control at all, you're gonna be able to get on one of these machines, and you're gonna be able to have it up and running very easily, very quickly, with little training. I mean, it's just the simplicity that they've brought to the system is just beautiful.
The APL that we've just received from Haas is helping us with mainly our labor forces. Right now, we're having troubles finding labor, people to work, and this is offsetting some of that hardship that we're having. It's running very well. We've been able to eliminate some of our past due work by not having a person, and it just continuing to run 8 to 12 hours a day.
We are so excited about the APL and the addition of the APL to here. We have one that's actually in service on our floor now. We have 3 more that are being ordered as we speak. We see this as being a great addition to us because the labor market here is tough. We're in West Central Indiana and kind of a rural area. We're the biggest employer in the county. We need to utilize laborless machines. And the nice thing really is that with a laborless machine, it's not truly laborless, but we might have one person that oversees 5 machines. That's a better job for that person. And then we can take the 3 people that we may have freed up and able to put them on something more appropriate for that skill level and for the part itself. Down the road, I see us absolutely utilizing technology and strategically placing the APLs and other automated equipment to make sure that TMF stays on the cutting edge of all processes for our customers.